today have said yes to our final bakeware today's special value of the year, and no reorder on this. This is Temp-tations, and yes, these are ovals, but not just ovals, they're squovals. That's right. This is where the square meets the oval, and it becomes elegant and rounded and oh so versatile in your kitchen. Not just the bakers themselves, but also the tremendous liddits, the ramekins, the plastic storage covers. And did I mention a cookbook comes along with all of this, uniquely designed for these vessels, all 75 of the recipes? Yeah, we have a rainbow of colors in your two favorite patterns of Floral Lace and in Old World. But we also have a value story that is tremendous. Now go to retail, if sold separately, comparable retail value on this, $104.04. We're checking in at $44.06 less. We're then going to bring you easy pay, not 4, not 5, but our maximum 6. So this is your opportunity tonight to bring in the ultimate entertaining set, the ultimate set that's going to help you with all the holidays that are coming up. And if you've already started building a collection in a color or pattern in Temp-tations, well, we have all of them. Minus one that sold out much earlier in the day. The gray Old World and the gray Floral Lace has both sold out, or have both sold out. So what that says to Tara Tescher, the designer, CEO, and president of the company, we need to bring in more gray. And the other choices in Temp-tations. Tara's back with us.
Hello, hello.
Always
Mwah.
good to see you, and
Hello,
always
everyone.
fantastic to talk about a value of the day from Temp-tations, because we always knock it out of the park. This has been extraordinarily popular. In fact, for the day now, Sean, again, 26,000 in the show, 4,700 now spoken for. We're very, very busy because Temp-tations is all about a system.
Yes, it is. It started truly, as we mentioned, 17 years ago, and it started with solid colors. It started with rattan baskets, and it has continued to grow and become something that you've incorporated into your lifestyle. Why? Because I think it replaces all of those steps and stages in our kitchen that our grandmothers and that our mothers cooked with, and so they taught us how to cook with it. And for me, I looked at it and said, how can I make it different? With the foundation that I learned from my mother, that whether it was breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we ate as a family first, that it was important to gather everybody around. These dishes became the excuse that did just that. This is our Squoval. This is that updated forecourt. Forget that traditional 13x9 rectangular baker. When you have something like the Squoval, that soft side, it not only takes up less space in your oven from left to right, but you have that great 4-inch depth. So we start with that forecourt workhorse baker, oven safe up to 500 degrees, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and microwave safe. And then we layer upon layer of detail with our deep dish lid. This is your cookie sheet, your cutting board, your serving platter. It's the lid for on top of that baker. It's the trivet for under that baker. 5-in-1. And if that wasn't good enough, we actually then divided one so that now you can not only cook double duty, but customize your 3 sections, your roasted vegetables, your crudité, things you want to do there. All of these pieces coming together, as David mentioned, into a system, but we didn't just stop there. We included 2 of your ramekins because we know you love the portion control. You want these for condiments, you want these for your side dishes, and then I felt so passionately that including a cookbook dedicated and tailored to this entire collection, recipe after recipe, 75 brand new recipes you've never seen before.
One like.
Yes. Oh, hello.
Eggs and ham hash breakfast. That looks so beautiful. I want to put my whole face in it.
Eat it.
Look at that.
Isn't that fun?
And you make that in the deep dish lid.
You do.
These are the kinds of recipes that we would make if we had the know-how, the ideas, and the right tools. Tara's providing all of it, right down to the recipe book. Ordinarily, this would be a separate purchase. Tonight, it's included with your pack-up. Now, if you want holiday, we brought in 4,400. I have 800 left, and when those are gone, Alana's going to take them away. Alana is the taker-awayer.
She is.
Of the sold-out pieces.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Hey, and we're already half gone in all the Old World, in every color.
Wow.
Okay?
All right.
So if you took all the Old World and put it in one great big pile, half of it would already be gone. All right? So this is harvest, and this is just so perfect for autumn. Your leaves, your acorns. I noticed trees are starting to get that little change in their color.
And lose the leaves.
I got out of my car the other day, and there was a leaf stuck to my shoe.
I was running the trail around here, and they were falling from the trees.
It's happening. Autumn is coming.
There's nothing we can do about it.
It's coming. Yep. They tried to stop autumn from coming, but it came.
It did.
It came just the same. That's a different story.
I think
but you
that's
know
a
what
Christmas
I'm talking
story,
about.
but
it
it's
might
fine.
be something about the Grinch. I have 900 left in the Grinch. Not the Grinch, in the harvest. In the harvest is what I mean. There are a few more Grinches to go around.
Hashtag harvest is the new Grinch.
There it is. All right, and we have it for you in festive. This is Floral Lace Holiday, which is festive. This is poinsettia in the old world. And jump ahead to Valentine's Day, a little romance. And 1,000 left in romance. Now, let me go back here. We'll take you through colors, reminding you that we are half gone in Old World across the board in all colors. Please don't wait on Old World if that is your jam. Now's your time to get it. There is no reorder on this. This will never be reordered ever.
That's right. We can't do it again.
There's
we just can't.
So much hand painting in this. It took us too long to get this order in. We can't think about another one, right? So here is our Floral Lace, and we call this one Chocolate. Now we're back together. Here it is in the Old World brown. How many? 500 remain. This is Spice in Floral Lace. Spice in Old World. 850 now left here. This is Eggplant Floral Lace. This is Eggplant in Old World. 900. This is Black Floral Lace. This is Black Old World. 1400. This is Cranberry in Floral Lace. This is Cranberry in Old World. This is Red Floral Lace. This is Red Old World. 900 left. This is Green Floral Lace. And Green Old World, the color that started it all. Light blue in the Floral Lace. This is Confetti. I have 1,100 left in Confetti. This is Blue in Floral Lace, extraordinarily popular, and Blue in Old World. 1,400 remaining. Here's value story. $104.04 at retail. We're looking at $44.06 less. We're also putting this on Easy Pay for you tonight. Not 4, not 5, but our maximum 6. If you use your Q card tonight, you're going to get 5% of your purchase price back, and you'll get it in the form of an account credit on your QVC membership account. Just use your Q card. It's a subtle reminder, I know.
Right.
But it's important to know if you use this Q card every single day on QVC, we have different promotions. And today it's 5% back of your purchase price, whatever you buy and how much you buy, and we'll give it to you 5% back in an account credit on your QVC membership account. Sending that back this way. Thank you. All right, now how many are gone? Now over 26,000 gone.
Can you give me a hand?
I saw something in the cookbook.
Yeah.
And I was saying, we've got to see that. Well, let's get it over here so we can put it down.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I'm grabbing the brookie.
All right.
Can't wait for you to try this. That's going to go over the ice.
I'm going to turn him this way.
Yeah, let's talk about this really quick. Put the ice in the bottom of that baker, my mom's brilliant idea. Then you put the Easy Ranch cheese snowman down. Look at how adorable that is. It's a cheese ball.
It's a cheese ball snowman.
Is that not so stinking
cute? And crackers for his hat.
Yes.
You'll come in a little closer. We'll see that a little better.
I have to say, they're so cute. Look at even the little piping on his eyes. He's got his little buttons. He's so adorable and quick and easy. What I love about this is when you're getting the gang together, whether someone drops by, this is probably ingredients, thank you, ingredients that you already have in your fridge that you can put together.
So cute.
Isn't that adorable? Again, making things easier in your kitchen. I got to give you some brookie. All right, let's talk about the brookie.
Let's also talk about Santa Berry.
Oh, I don't have a bowl for you. Hold on. I'm going to put it on a plate.
So we've got Santa Berry trifle back here.
Love those.
These are recipes from the book. Now, what is a brookie?
A brookie, if I can get through it. This is frozen. It starts with a brownie mix and then layer upon layer of whipped topping, crumbled cookies,
brownies. Is this recipe in the book?
Yeah. Are you kidding?
Thank you.
It is absolutely. And my
So it's a combination of brownies and cookies.
It's an icebox cake.
Okay.
So we call it a brookie because it's got a brownie and it's got a cookie coming together. Super easy, right? And so great to make. It's one of those simple desserts that everybody loves because it looks so decadent, but it's so easy.
So good.
Right? We have a theme here.
Do I taste peanut butter in there?
Probably not on purpose. But you could, of course, add peanut butter in there.
You could do like peanut butter cookies in here.
Of course you could. You could do almost any kind of cookies.
Yeah,
you could do oatmeal raisin.
Chocolate chip cream.
Might be. So we have your brookie. We have your forest cake. We have your chicken fingers that we made.
All these recipes are in the book.
Yes.
And you
the
get
whole
the book
table.
included.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Now, follow us down here.
Yes.
Now, if you wanted to buy this set and then break it up, I mean, don't take a hammer to it, but divide the pieces up.
Good idea.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Right.
Yeah.
Got it.
Get yourself a roll of this cello paper you can buy at the craft store. Fill it full of a home-baked goodie.
Yes.
And then take and leave.
I love that.
Yeah.
So think about it. Just the 5 pieces of stoneware, $10 a gift, where maybe you bake your banana bread, or you're known for your spice bread. Leave that behind. Here we actually did our triple play chocolate fudge. This is a recipe in the cookbook. We put it on the deep dish lid. Actually, we put it on the divided lid. That's a gift. Here in our 13 by 9, our Squoval, we did our cheesecake swirl pumpkin cake. We made it and then we gave it. But maybe you don't have time for that. Maybe you don't want to do that. Pick up Cheryl's cookies, put them on that beautiful deep dish lid, and you are good to go. We bake in that 13 by 9, and look what we're able to do. This is a box cake, David, that serves 26 people.
I thought it was just like Italian bread. It looks like bread, right? You would toast up and have with pasta.
That's because we didn't drizzle it with caramel sauce.
Well,
and
you
hot
could do
chocolate.
all that. You could bake bread in here, couldn't you?
Of course you could, absolutely.
And that's what's great about this, because if you're baking and making and nesting, because you know what? I talked to someone yesterday who said, you know what, our plans for vacations fell through, so we're going to have a staycation.
I love
year.
the staycation.
Just stay home and actually have time to run a few errands and actually cook something in your stove.
And get stuff done. I always find that, right? When you wind up staying home and not going where you thought you were going to, you get so much more done.
Well, and you're under no pressure, and I'm not trying to squeeze it in while, you know, in the last hour of the day. This is a look at what you're getting tonight and what you might pay at retail. $104.04. We're going to check in tonight at over $44 less, but you're looking at the final bakeware today's special value of the year. There is no reorder on this. And what was that? And this is our last look of the day. Now, the price will be available until end of day, Tara.
Yes.
But this will be the last presentation of the day. Jane Tracy and I have 2 hours of countdown to Christmas from 10 to midnight. And then, of course, she's kicking off a fantastic set of new Northern Night sheets at midnight.
Don't let me do this. I'm a trained professional.
She's quick, efficient,
Yes.
not quiet,
No, not usually. No.
but gets the job.
I'm getting the blue floral lace because I want to really break this apart and show you.
Bring him over.
All. It could be a her.
Or her.
Right. Him or her. Here we are.
Bring him or her over.
Because I really want to show you all of the details. We've been showing you the holiday. We're certainly showing you all of the seasonal. But let's get down to it. Let's talk about your everyday colors. That beautiful Squoval 13 by 9 in our blue floral lace, that inky cobalt blue, that floral lace detail carved into the side, the beading that runs around the edges, the hand painting on the inside. Whether you're picking up old world or floral lace, these are the accents you can expect. And then, of course, we included your deep dish lid, your cookie sheet, your cutting board, your serving tray, your lid for on top of that baker, your trivet for under that baker. Love the depth in here. It truly becomes that perfect piece, not only as a serving platter, but as a baking piece as well. Drop it right down inside its wrought iron rack. Now that becomes a way to transport. Layer your 13 by 9, and now you have that great system. But we kept going. We gave you a divided deep dish lid as well. Now you're able to customize even more what you're doing in the kitchen. That 13 by 9 comes with a snap-on storage cover. Your 2 12-ounce ramekins come with storage covers. And your entire set, which we have never done before, not only all these sizes and this shape, but we have never included a cookbook where we have dedicated every single recipe, 75 of them, to all of these pieces. And they're great, everyday, delicious recipes.
Now, let's take you through choices, reminding you that this is floral lace in the blue, one of our most popular choices. In fact, most popular tonight. Then we've got holiday. Brought in 4,500 in the holiday. I have 500 left, and this will come off the table. Very possible that could sell out tonight between now and end of day after we go off the air. Please don't miss this if you want it. It will not be coming back. This is harvest. 800 left in the harvest. This is festive. Available for you. Then I've got poinsettia available, and then romance. This is the one with the little hearts, and 1,000 left in romance. Let me head to the back, and I'll meet you back up front.
Perfect.
In the floral lace, this first color is called chocolate. See there? Here's your old world in the brown, $4.50 now. Here is floral lace in spice. Spice in old world, $800. Floral lace in eggplant. Eggplant in old world. Black floral lace, black old world. Cranberry floral lace, cranberry old world. Red floral lace, red old world. 800 now left there. This is green floral lace, green old world. Light blue in the floral lace. Confetti. And in that confetti, 1,000 left. We have blue floral lace, which she showed you a moment ago, and now blue in the old world. Here's our value story again. $104.04 is what you can expect to pay at retail. We are $44.06 less. Yes, you get the cookbook, and yes, you're getting 6 easy payments tonight.